Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review video. Today we will be having a look at the Diabolo Pruning blades. These are 9 inches long, 5 teeth per inch. Now we will be using my Bosch 18 volt tiger saw and the blades just clip in there. Let's have a close look at our blades. Now this is a packet of 5 and this was $29 at Bunnings. I think it worked out to be about $10 each if you just buy a single 1-pack and you buy a 5-pack for $29. And since I've got a lot of trees to trim up and I'll always be using these, I've decided I'd save myself some money and buy a 5-pack. As you can see there, the blades are Swiss made or made in Switzerland. Now they call these reciprocating blades. And a lot of people do call these saws reciprocating saws. However, I have grown up calling these things a tiger saw. Whenever I worked on the construction side, my boss would call for a tiger saw. This is what he expected me to bring. Now, before we open the pack, let's have a look at the back of the packet. Now, this is quite important, bi-directional tooth design, so it cuts both ways. Not just one way like most saw blades. Hardened cutting edge, not recommended for cutting wood with nails. Yeah, this probably makes sense. And there you go. That's a look at the back of the packet. Let's get these blades out, get them installed, and we'll get outside and we'll trim up some trees. Now here's the blade. It does feel very, very sharp, so you definitely want to be keeping this away from your fingers. It looks to be really, really nice quality, this. Now to install these, you just flip that lever forward, insert the blade, let go, and it's locked in. To take it back out, flip the lever forward, and it just pulls out like that. That easy. Now here's one of the trees that needs trimming up. Mainly around the bottom there, so I can mow around the bottom of the tree. There's another one. It's starting to rain, of course, now that I'm going to trim these trees up. And there's the third tree that needs trimming up. Here we go, there's the job done. We have trimmed all those bottom branches, as you can see there. We've done the same with that tree. We haven't trimmed any of the top because I can't reach up there, but that's something I'll be dealing with in the future. It looks like I'm going to have to spend a little bit more money to get up there and trim all those branches, but at least the bottom's all cleaned up now. Quite a bit of trimming that's been done there. And that tree down there is the same. The top might still need some work in the future, but for now I'm quite happy with the bottom being all cleaned up. Here we go, there's the blade after cutting all those trees. Still looks the same as before. Obviously it does show a little bit of wear there where it's taken off some of the paint. But it worked really well from what I thought, and I'm pretty happy with these blades. And I've still got 4 brand new ones left, which I think will last me for a long time. So overall, I can probably recommend these if you've already got a tiger saw. Most of these saws use the same blades, like the same fitting method. And this is a Bosch one that I've had for a long time, and I'm actually just filming a long-term review on this saw. So that video will be coming up in the future. I'm just in the process of filming that now. And this has been around for quite some time. If you've got a Ryobi branded one, or I think a few different brands that are around, I think they all use the same blades. If you have any questions about what you saw in today's video, don't hesitate to leave your question down below and I will try and answer it to the best of my ability. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the brand new cutting blades, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.